Once images have been uploaded to a project, you can tag them with the different marketing channels that you want to include them in and rearrange the order in which you want the images to display. You can tag the images in one of two ways, either with the tag checkboxes next to each image, or in the section for each marketing channel, you can click the Add All button, which will apply this tag to every image that you have uploaded. To view the images that you have selected for each marketing channel, select the channel from the drop-down box in the top left of the page. You can deselect the images that you do not want in this channel in the list below by deselecting the tag for the channel next to the image. You can also click the Clear All button to remove all tags of this channel from all images. You can reorder the images in each marketing channel box by dragging and dropping them. Each channel can have a different order of display. Whenever you make changes that you want to save, please make sure that you click the Save Changes button in the top left of the page.